Hello, everybody. This here's Spirit Animal VSOP coming back at you with one more rum of the three different bottles that I bought today. Now, this one is the second of the Denizen distillery, and I don't know if it's called Denizen Distillery. I have to check into that, but it's called the rum itself is called Denizen. But this one is the Vatted Dark. All right, and this is the one I'm talking about. Beautiful bottle and label there. It's really grabs your attention. And what's nice about this one, two things. It's 100 proof. That's the first thing. Number two is that it's a blend of two of my favorite rums, Guyana and Martinique. All right, top two rums. Okay, and this is a blend. And I saw that. I said I got to get it. You know, this one and the other one, the 8-year-old, has been on my get list for quite a while. And I finally found a store down there, got both of them in stock, you know, close by, because it's down in DC, and I hate driving in DC. If you've ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, I found one close by and went ahead and went over there and got them. So we're going to open this one up and give it a try. I'm thinking it's going to be real good, okay? So let's do that. Now, we're going to bring on over my El Dorado rum glass. There it is. And we're going to open this up real quick and pour some in. Glug, glug, glug. Ooh, that looks good. All right. Now, the color, Vatted Dark. It is a dark rum, as you can see. It is quite dark, and I'm loving every bit of it. Not quite as dark as that Diamond dark rum. That's a dark rum, but this is pretty dark. Now, considering that it's got plenty of Guyana, in fact, it's got a percentage. It's got 80% Guyana, 20% Martinique. So if it's got 80% Guyana, it's going to be dark. All right. Now you put in 20% of Martinique. Martinique's not that dark, right? And totally different flavor. You know, Guyana is molasses heavy, and then you've got the Martinique rum, which is cane juice, agricole, earthy flavor. Totally different. So when they put two of these together, man. That might be a dream come true. I'm going to have to find out. But anyway, I'm stirring it up right now, right? Swirl and swirl like you're a connoisseur just like me. All right. Now let's sniffy, see what it's all about. Yeah, 100 proof, man. I tell you, you take it in your nostrils, it singes. But it's a good singe. And plenty of dark fruit, plenty of plum and raisin coming through. Plenty of that. And some lighter fruits as well, even a little bit of a floral tone coming through. You know, I pick up all that when I drink Martinique. Not so much with Guyana. That's got a real nice aroma, real nice. And 100 proof, man. That's right in my wheelhouse. So let's taste and see what it's all about, okay? Wonderful on the tongue. Wonderful on the tongue and the upper palate. Very balanced on the upper palate and tongue, and plenty of 100 proof burn too. It feels good going in, feels good going down, man. I tell you what. Yeah, that is good. You can definitely pick up the fact that it's Guyana. It's got all the Guyana traits in there. It's got the heavy molasses. It's got the dark fruits, and but you also pick up, 20% worth anyway of Martinique, and that's nice. I like that. This is a real good blend. Okay, somebody did their work on this one, because they ended up with an 80-20 mix, right? So I wonder if they tried any others, like maybe a 60-40 mix or a 50-50 mix, and they got the 80-20, and that was the one. Well, it's a good choice if that's the one they went with, because it tastes good. Mm. Very nice on both the upper palate and the tongue. Really nice. Dark fruits, like I said, plum and raisin coming through. Fig as well. And the molasses, and a little bit of that earthy tone, like I said, from the Martinique rum. That's really nice. That is a really good sipping rum. This is the sort of thing that I would love to have after a good meal. That's probably the best time to be sipping on this. This might actually taste pretty good cold too. I'm thinking about that, maybe putting it in the fridge, but I don't know. I did put that Oka yuzu vodka in the fridge, and it tasted great. But that's, that's something totally different. Anyway, this is really, really nice. I'm enjoying it. And it was only like $23.99, $24.99, so very inexpensive, very affordable. So if you happen to run across this at any store you go to, and you like the dark rums, you like the Guyana, you like the Martinique, I say grab it. All right, grab it. And if you do, I hope you love it. And please drink responsibly, all right? Bye.